exercise 2. Question number 6. What is your question? Modulus of 3 minus 5x minus 2 is divided by 4 less than or equal to 8. First we simplify the inside the modulus value like this. 3 minus of 5x minus 2 is divided by 4. Take the LCM. So what is LCM? LCM is 4. 4 into 3. 3 into 4 minus of 5x minus 2. 3 4s are 12. Minus into plus minus and minus into minus plus 2 divided by 4. So minus 5x 12 plus 2 14 is divisible by 4. So this is equal to this one 20x minus 5x plus 14 is divided by 4 is less than or equal to 8, which is in the form of modulus of x less than or equal to 8. So we can remove the modulus, take the plus or minus. So minus 5x plus 14 is divided by 4 is less than or equal to 8. You can take the positive plus x plus minus 5x plus 14 is divided by 4 is less than or equal to 8. Next is take the minus of minus 5x plus 14 is divided by 4 is equal less than or equal to 8. Now simplify the first this one. Okay, minus 5x plus 14 divided by 4 is less than or equal to 8. So this 4 is move to right side. This is in denominator, move to right side in multiplication. 5x plus 14 is less than or equal to 8 into 4. So minus 5x plus 14 less than or 8 4s are 32. So minus 5x is less than or equal to minus plus 14 is move to right side. Take the minus. So 32 minus 14. So minus 5x less than or equal to 32 minus 4 how much? 18. So minus x is less than or equal to 18 divided by 5. This 5 is multiplication and move to right side is division. Take division. So x is always positive. Then multiplied with minus on both sides. Minus into minus plus x. So less than or equal to will be changes to greater than or equal. So plus into minus minus 18 by 5. This is take 1. Now take the negative one. So what is the negative? Minus multiplied with minus. Minus into minus plus 5x minus 14x divided by 4 is less than or equal to 8. So 4 is moved to right side. 5x minus 14 less than or equal to 4 into 8. So 5x minus 14 is less than or equal to 32. Then 5x is 14 is moved to right side less than or equal to 32 plus 14. So 5x less than or equal to 32 plus 14 how much? 46. Now x is less than or equal to 46 by 5. This is take 2 from 1 and 2. Here draw a number line. This is the number line. Number line, this is minus infinity and this is plus infinity. Take the values in x values in ascending order. Minus 18 by 5 and this is 46 by 5. These two values are included. Means these are equality symbol is there. Greater than or equality is there and less than or equality is there. So take the include. These two values are included. From 1 compared to minus 18 by 5, x values are greater value like this. Compared to minus 46 by plus 46 by compared to x values 46 by 5. So x values are smaller values, means smaller values like this. So this is the solution of this one. X belongs to closed interval minus 18 by 5 comma 46 by 5 closed. This is a solution for the above question. Next question, seventh one. The seventh question, modulus of 8 minus 3 by x greater than 4. First simplify the inside of the modulus value. So what is inside of modulus of 8 minus 3 by x? So take the LCM. What is LCM? X is your LCM. 8 multiplied with x minus 3. So 8x minus 3 by x. So this value is equal to this one. So 8x minus 3, 8x minus 3 by x, modulus of 8x minus 3 by x greater than or equal to 4. So removing the modulus, plus or minus 8x minus 3 by x is greater than or equal to 4. So we can take the plus 1, 8x minus 3 by x is greater than or equal to 4. And next one is to take the minus 8x minus 3 by x is greater than or equal to 4. So simplify this one, first this one. So 8x minus 3 by x is greater than or equal to 4. So x is moved to right side, 8x minus 3. So 4 into x, 4x. So 4x is moved to left side, 4x minus 4x. 3 is moved to right side, greater than or equal to. Minus 3 is moved to right side, take the plus 3. So 8x minus 4x, how much? 4x is greater than 3. Then x is equal to greater than or equal to 3 by 4. This is the first one. Simplifying this one. So minus into plus, minus 8x, minus into minus, plus 3 is divided by x is greater than or equal to 4. And take the cross multiplication, 8x plus 3 greater than or equal to 4x. So 8x is moved to right side, 3 greater than or equal to 4x. This is moved to this side, 4x plus 8x. So 3 is greater than or equal to how much? 12x. 12x. So you can write 12x is less than or equal to 3. Then x is equal x less than or equal to 3 by 12. 3 4s are 12. Then x is less than or equal to 1 by 4. This is number 2. From 1 and 2, draw a number line. And this is number line, minus infinity and plus infinity. Take the x values in ascending order. Ascending order means what is the greater value? This is the greater value. This is a smaller value. So this is 1 by 4 and this is the 3 by 4. These two values are included like this. Means this is greater, the equality symbol is there. So take these two values are included. From 1 compared to 3 by 4, x values are greater values. X values are greater value. From 2 compared to 1 by 4, x values are smaller value like this. Okay, this is solution. So x belongs to open interval minus infinity comma 1 by 4 closed union 3 by 4 comma plus infinity open. This is a solution for above question. And next one is ninth one. Eighth one is homework. So modulus of 2x minus 3 divided by 5 greater than 3. So removing the modulus, take plus or minus 2x minus 3 divided by 5 is greater than or equal to 3. So take the plus one, 2x minus 3 divided by 5 is greater than or equal to 3. And take the minus one, minus of 2x minus 3 divided by 5 is greater than or equal to 3. First solve this one. So 2x minus 3 divisible by 5 is greater than or equal to 3. So 5 is moved to right side. 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 3 into 5. So 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 3 5s are 15. So 2x 3 is moved to right side, greater than or equal to 15 plus 3. So 2x is greater than or equal to how much? 18. So x is greater than or equal to 18 by 2. 2 9s are 18. So x greater than or equal to 9. This is the first one. And simplify this one. Minus into plus minus 2x minus into minus plus 3 is divided by 5 is greater than or equal to 3. So minus 2x plus 3 is greater than 5 is moved to right side, 3 into 5. So minus 2x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 3 5s are 15 minus 2x is greater than or equal to 3 is moved to right side, 15 minus 3 minus 2x is greater than or equal to 15 minus 3 how much? 12. So x minus x is greater than or equal to 12 by 2, 2 6. Then minus x is greater than or equal to 6. Now x is always positive, then multiply with minus on both sides. You can take minus into minus plus x. Greater than will be changes to less than or equal to, plus is minus changes to minus 6. This is number 2. From 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we get draw a number line. In this number line minus infinity, this is plus infinity. Take the x values in ascending order, arrange the ascending order on the number line. This is minus 6 and this is 9. These two values are included, means the equality symbols are there. So compared from 1 compared to 9, x values are greater values like this, and compared to minus 6, x values are smaller value like this. So solution of this one is x belongs to open interval minus infinity comma minus 6 closed union closed 9 comma infinity open. This is a solution for the above question. So next one, 10th question. The 10th question. Next question, exercise 2, 11th one. So modulus of x minus 2, this is one term, and modulus of x minus 3, this is second term, less than 0. First you look at the point on the number line. This is number line. So take the x values. X values, the points are, what are the points? 2 comma 3 are the points of x. Now look at the values in ascending order. This is 2 and this is 3. The curve start with always positive like this. So in 3, the power of this term is 1. So 1 is the odd power. The sign will be changed. The curve will be opposite direction. And 2, the power of this term is odd power. The curve is opposite direction. So less than or equal to means take the negative. This is negative. So these two values are included. Means x belongs to closer to 2 comma 3. So mod x is always in between 2 less than mod x less than 3. Now separate this one, 2 less than or equal to mod x, this is 1, and mod x is less than or equal to 3. Now simplify this one. So mod x is greater than 2 and mod x is less than 3. So mod x is less than a is equal to x belongs to minus a comma a. This is take 1. So from second property, mod x is greater than a, which is x belongs to minus infinity open into a minus infinity comma minus a closed union a comma plus infinity open. So modulus of x is greater than or equal to 2 is x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 2 close union 2 comma infinity. This is take 1, and x mod x less than or equal to 3 is x belongs to minus 3 comma 3. This is 2 from 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Draw the number line. In this one, take the values minus 3, minus 2, and plus 2 and plus 3. These two all values are included. From 1, x values are minus 2 to infinity like this, plus 2 to infinity like this. From 2, x values are plus minus 3 to 3. So these are all the combined values means between the both intervals. So the solution of this one is x belongs to closed into a minus 3 comma minus 2 union 2 comma 3. This is a solution for the above step. In same way, next question is 12th one. Twelfth question. What is the 12th one? Modulus of x minus 4 is first term, and modulus of x plus 7. This is greater than or equal to 0. Start first. You take the points on x. What are the points? Plus 4 comma minus 7. So arrange the values in number line on the number line ascending order, minus infinity, and this is plus infinity. This is minus 7. This is plus 4. So the curve is start like this. So from 4, the power of this term is index 1 is odd power, so opposite direction. And 7 is also odd one. The sign is opposite direction like this. So greater one means this is the greater one. So x values or mod x is greater than or equal to minus 7. And next one is mod x is greater than or equal to plus 4. So this we have no solutions. Minus 7 is there. So modulus of greater than or equal to minus 7. A is negative means A is less than 0. If A less than 0, have no solution. So x greater than or equal to 4. This is in the form of x greater than or equal to A, which is like this. X belongs to minus infinity comma minus a closed union plus a comma infinity open like this. So modulus of x greater than or equal to 4 is x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 4 closed union plus 4 comma plus infinity open. So draw a graph. This is number 1 plus infinity minus infinity. This is plus infinity. Take the values minus 4 comma plus 4. These two values are included. So from this one, so x values are minus infinity to this one. So this is a solution for x belongs to open into a minus infinity comma minus 4 closed union plus 4 comma infinity open. This is a solution for the 12th question.